Tips to relieve headache. When we least expect it, a migraine or headache emerges to bother us. Luckily, there are ways to stop this pain before it gets worse. Here are some simple tips. Drink water. If our body becomes dehydrated, this can cause a headache. In summer, but really throughout the year, always keep a bottle of water nearby. Darkness and silence. If you have a headache, lie down in a room with no light and no noise, and breathe deeply. Massage the sore area. If you massage the area where the tension is located, you will often feel some relief. The massage should be gentle and can be smoothened with a few drops of massage oil. Coffee against migraine. You may find this strange, since caffeine tends to cause dehydration, but coffee can help against a headache. Cold shower. Not everyone can stand cold showers, but if you can, this is an effective remedy against a headache. Really? Try it. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to my channel for regular updates and engaging content. Your support means a lot, and I look forward to having you as part of our community.